full speed. Okay, here we have a flasher light. So very similar to those in police cars or ambulances. So this is a DIY project. So let's open it. Okay, so we have LEDs in red color. So you need to solder the LEDs. So we have white colored LEDs, and also you need to solder. And green LEDs, the same, you have to solder it. We have a couple of wires, adapter wires. So this is a diode IN4001, so 1 ampere diodes. And the PCB where we will solder everything. And IC, so this is the 555 IC and controller IC, and they have the mounting IC mount. So again, I'm using the anti-static mat, so I can hold these ICs. And couple of connectors. So for this one, this is the opposite side. This is a potentiometer. Actually, it's a resistor, but you can bar it. Couple of transistors. Also, we have another diode. So this has more capacity of amperes, maybe 2 amperes. And the electrolytic capacitor. We have the ceramic capacitor also ceramic, and the rest is resistors. So we need to color code. Okay, so let's assemble this. Okay, now so we just completed setup and assembly. So we'll be using our DC buck converter for 12 volt supply. Okay, let's try this out. Okay, so you can adjust the speed using this potentiometer, so you can adjust it to, so it's now very similar to police cars and ambulance. So actually you can install many LED, but you need more power. Okay, so this one just 16 pieces. Okay, let's try this out. This is the slow, this is the middle, this is the full speed.